Hello guys, trust you're doing good. Guess where I am? I am in Kalomo Town, southern province of Zambia, and right where I'm standing here is at Green Acres National Monument right here.
Zambia namba munewe mwina Zambia weshitishetalu gawa mno mulwani aisa no lukiyo renge mikokola umusebe we mwene watalu mama ubumtungwa ubwa Zambia na tusunge.
This is Kalomo. Kalomo is located 350.2 kilometers from Lusaka. Lusaka is the capital city of Zambia. Like most cities, Kalomo has its own rich history. Northwestern Rhodesia was a territory in South Central Africa that was administered by the British South Africa Company, popularly known as BSAC, from 1891 to 1899. It was later amalgamated with other territories to form the Protectorate of Northern Rhodesia, which is now the Republic of Zambia. In 1891 to 1899, the BSA Company administered Northwestern Rhodesia under charter. In 1899, Northwestern Rhodesia was combined with Barotseland to form Barotseland Northwestern Rhodesia, a British protectorate. Barotseland Northwestern Rhodesia was combined with Northeastern Rhodesia to form Northern Rhodesia, which is now Zambia. In 1924, the British government began administering Northern Rhodesia as a protectorate. In 1964, Zambia gained independence from Britain after a long struggle led by the United National Independence Party, UNIP, and the African National Congress, ANC. Now, it is important to note that the first administrative capital of Northwestern Rhodesia was Kalomo, and that is from 1902 through to 1907.
Mikokola umusebe we mwene watalu mama ubumtungwa ubwa Zambia na tusunge italo Jesu we utekoni we wine we mwene watalu bantunga washitishe talo ukepaisha bantu kanshimune uchenjele kulya baba mwisa vale fayo kona ula italo Jesu mama alamune uko tukose fie chifya balwani mutalo tesu Shua Zambia nomba munewe mwina Zambia weshitishe tale gamono mulwani aisa no lupio lwengi wiko kola umuseve we mwene wa tale mama luntungwa uwa Zambia na tusunge Talo tesu we uteko ni we wine we mwine watalo bantunga washitishe chalo tukefaisha bantu kanshi mune uchenjele ule ababa mwisa abale fwaya ukona ula etalo tesu mama alamune tukose fie chifya balwani mutalo tesu mama ntungwa twalipoka mutalo tesu ita Zambia mama twalipoka mutalo tesu ita Zambia nomba munewe mwina Zambia weshitishe tale